Turn your knowledge into income. Have you ever thought about turning your professional expertise into a lucrative business? Imagine earning money simply by sharing what you already know and helping others succeed. Learn how to sell your expertise as a business consultant step by step. Whether you're experienced in marketing, management, or finance, there's a huge market waiting for you. Stick around to discover strategies to attract high-paying clients. In today's competitive world, businesses need expert advice more than ever. They're willing to pay consultants who can solve problems, improve strategies, and grow their companies. The demand is huge because specialized knowledge is rare. Not everyone has in-depth expertise in specific areas like digital marketing, operations, or scaling businesses. Hiring a consultant is often cheaper than hiring full-time experts. Thanks to technology, you can consult businesses from around the world from the comfort of your home. This makes business consulting one of the most rewarding and flexible freelance opportunities. Before you start offering consulting services, make sure you possess these key traits: expert knowledge. You must have a solid understanding of your niche, whether it's marketing, management, operations, or another area. Clients hire consultants to solve problems. Be ready to analyze issues and provide actionable solutions. Being able to explain your ideas clearly and persuasively is essential. Build trust with clients by showcasing your experience, certifications, or achievements. If you feel confident in these areas, you're ready to start your journey as a consultant. One of the first steps in becoming a successful consultant is choosing your niche. Focus on what you're truly passionate about and experienced in. Here are a few examples. Marketing and branding, helping businesses create strategies to attract more customers. Financial planning, guiding companies to manage budgets and investments effectively. Leadership training, teaching teams how to work efficiently and lead successfully. E-commerce strategy, advising online businesses on scaling and improving their operations. The more specific your niche, the easier it will be to stand out and attract the right clients. How to start selling your expertise. Here's a step-by-step guide to getting started as a business consultant. First, build your online presence. Create a professional profile on LinkedIn and a simple website that highlights your expertise, services, and testimonials. Next, define your offerings. Be clear about what you can help with. For example, you might offer marketing audits, strategy sessions, or team training. Then, network actively. Connect with small business owners, entrepreneurs, and startups on LinkedIn, in forums, or at local business events. Start small. Offer free or low-cost consulting to your first few clients to build credibility and get testimonials. By starting this way, you'll quickly establish yourself as a reliable and knowledgeable consultant. How to attract high-paying clients. Once you've built some experience, it's time to attract bigger clients. Here's how. First, target the right audience. Focus on businesses that can afford your services and need help in your niche. Next, create a value-driven offer. Explain the return on investment they'll get from your advice. For example, I'll help increase your sales by 30% in 3 months. Then, showcase your expertise. Share your insights through blogs, webinars, or social media posts. Position yourself as a thought leader in your field. Finally, leverage referrals. Ask satisfied clients to recommend your services to others in their network. The key is to consistently demonstrate the value you bring to the table. Pricing your consulting services can be tricky but crucial. Here's how to decide. First, hourly rate. For beginners, charging by the hour is a good start. Rates typically range from $50 to $300 per hour based on experience and industry. Second, project-based fees. For specific projects, charge a flat fee. For example, $1,000 to create a marketing strategy or $5,000 for a business growth plan. Third, retainer model. Offer ongoing support to clients for a monthly fee, like $1,500 per month for regular strategy sessions and advice. Don't undervalue yourself. With experience, increase your rates to reflect the results you deliver. To manage your consulting business effectively, use the right tools. Here are a few recommendations. Zoom or Google. Meet for virtual meetings and consultations. Trello or Asana to organize client projects and keep track of tasks. Canva for creating professional presentations and reports. LinkedIn to network and market your services. These tools will help you deliver a professional experience for your clients and stay organized. Even experienced consultants make mistakes. Avoid these common pitfalls. Overpromising. Be realistic about what you can deliver, not listening to clients. Always understand your clients' needs before offering solutions. Failing to follow up. Maintain regular communication with your clients to build trust and long-term relationships. By avoiding these mistakes, you'll establish a strong reputation as a reliable consultant. Becoming a business consultant is one of the most rewarding freelance opportunities. By leveraging your skills and experience, you can help businesses grow while earning a substantial income. If you're ready to get started, take the first step today. Define your niche, build your online presence, and start networking with potential clients. Want to learn more ways to earn as a freelancer? Click on the link on your screen to watch the next video.